Good morning, guys. I hope you are doing well. My name is Alex, and once again, I welcome you all to analysis on gold. And for today, we are having the PMI data that will give a good movement during the US session. And for the London session, we have the current scenario where we have seen the high of 2506 and the low of 2493. So these are the resistance and support for now, and we will be doing all the analysis based on this support and resistance only. For the upside, like what we know is if this breaks for so many days, 2507 is touching and coming down, and it has been quite a while after a long we are seeing this level. So we can clearly say that if this resistance breaks, that is 2507, then the bullish biasness will be strong, and the market could go during the US session as well. Okay, so that will be the all bullish like liquidity, where we will be seeing the bullish biasness in London session as well as in US session. But the other case could be like if this does not break like 2507, then we can see again a downward pressure. Okay, that is the possibility also. So for that, the sellers, it will be safe and wise to trade below 2492 or 2490 support only, because after that only we can be confirmed that gold is going down. Till it is above 2492 or 95, then every dip is the buying opportunity. Okay, so sellers should be stay aware from taking big entries today, and should wait for the data to support like the liquidity. Okay, now in the upside, we are getting the first resistance of 2526 or 2532. Okay, that is the good resistance zone. So if 2507 breaks, then traders can easily target 200 pips or 250 pips. In the downside also, if 2493 breaks, then traders will be getting a good opportunity till 2480 or 2471. So that is another 100 or 200 pips of movement. So any trader who is has still not taken any entry, you will get a proper entry and wait for that, and during US session you could make a good profit. So I wish you all the best for the day, and I hope that you make a good profit today. Thank you so much.